I know that feeling, that nagging sense of being stuck in a career that no longer fits. I've been there. That feeling of, is this it? Is this all there is? Especially as we reach our 50s. The self-doubt, the fear of change, it's real. But I also know from my own journey that it doesn't have to define us. That's why I created 50 Forward Fearless Future. It's not just a program, it's a lifeline, a guide, born from my own desire to find something more after 50. I wanted to help women like me, women who know they have more to offer, more to experience. In 50 Forward Fearless Future, you'll conquer the fears that whisper it's too late or you're not enough. I'll share the strategies that help me silence those voices. Build the confidence to truly own your worth and embrace your unique strengths. Create a personalised roadmap to a career that lights you up, a career that truly reflects who you are now. And join a community of women who get it, who understand the challenges and the triumphs of this stage of life. This isn't just about finding another job, it's about rediscovering your passion, reclaiming your purpose, and creating a future that's bolder and brighter than you ever imagined. It's about creating a life you truly love. I know what's possible because I've lived it, and I want to help you live it too. Visit www.janicesutherland.com to learn more and join us. Your fearless future is waiting.